who I'm here with. It's March 24th. Oh God. I'm gonna have to do like a better intro. But... oh wait, hold on. Guys, be say hungry day brand day here. The fried chicken wing. I'm Cardo. If you eat and you're hungry, I want you to wait a minute! Yo, guys, Granny Bex, I'm gonna have to do an intro and tell you guys like, oh, I'm about Jamaica sitting there. No, but to me, Granny, that's good. Sure. But I'm gonna talk to you guys about that a little later. Let me just get settled first and I'm gonna tell you guys what's... Alright, good morning guys. Okay, so this is like out of the ordinary. Like I'm actually like sitting down and talking instead of like, you know, vlogging or whatever. So obviously, as you can see, I'm in Jamaica. To be here. Yeah, I got this zoomed in and like whatever, so like probably the angle and everything is like different from what you guys are used to on my channel. So I came down to Jamaica for like a couple of days, only like 6 days, very quick and easy trip. Quick. You know, personal reasons, you know, with my grandmother, whatever. We're not gonna get into that, but yeah, so I'm just here for a little bit. So obviously I'm gonna vlog for you guys. I didn't get a chance to like really vlog yesterday, like my whole experience, because like it was just like so much going on, and I didn't really want to take out the camera and film like every bit of whatever. So I just wanted to get on here, do a little intro, and then just get along with like the vlogs or whatever. So yesterday, obviously me and my grandmother were traveling, and you know, it was only 6 days and our suitcases were overweight. That was number one, but you know, that's nothing new. If you guys know me, then you know every time when I come to Jamaica, I'm paying overweight for stuff. So I gave Southwest again $150 for both my suitcases to be overweight. No problem, because you know, every time when I come down here, I have to carry stuff for people or whatever. That's just like in me or whatever. So that was number one. Number two, when we got customs or whatever, it was a long line. Like I don't know where like all these people came from, but like it was so long just for us to get through immigration, for them to stamp our passports. It was like super long. So Granny loved to play our diabetes and high blood sugar card, you know. So she said, people, me not eat from man, me not feel good or whatever. So someone was nice enough and escorted us to like the front of the line. Like we went straight up to a teller. A guy, he was so nice, the immigration officer. He was like, oh no, sweetie, you have to walk with sweetie, mama. And sitting there, he stamped the passport and sent us right through. Granny was like, you can't just make we go through outside. He was like, no, him in an authority over customs or whatever. The line was short. We get our suitcase, we're gonna not declare line, because we're not for declare. And when I see we, I said, no, we have to go declare line or whatever. We got declare line. I went to one girl, Granny went to the one girl. The one girl, I mean, we was cool, we was talking. She said me have stuff at car, ray. She digged me up and she let me go. But I couldn't wait for Granny because they wouldn't allow me to. So I'm gonna go outside, and I was waiting for my grandmother or whatever, and then dig up my grandmother like so much or whatever. She did bring down a phone for somebody with the gear or whatever, and you know, some clothes and stuff or whatever. And long story short, then tell Granny that she have to pay $48,000 for stuff. Granny ball. She said she not give them no money, this and that. Granny said she deal with the girl wicked. I call her all type of B and this and that, and I say, oh, this not gonna make your paycheck enough. Granny said she deal with the girl out way and cuss her. So Granny paid them. And then you know what, and the next thing is, I looked on my grandmother's credit card like statements or whatever, and we see 3 transactions from a damn custom people, because she used her credit card. She didn't go use Jamaican money. She didn't go out and get money from my boyfriend or whatever. But me said, no, y'all go out to Jamaica and just use her credit card. And we see 3 transactions from them, like then charge it 3 times. So I don't know if it like I could go through because it's on a hold. So me I gotta go back when I see her today and check it again and see if it clear or not, and then we all call customs and tell them, yo, refund back your money or whatever, because only 2 freaking teeth. But yes, that's basically it. I'm vlogging. I'm trying to sit down and talk and you playing on a game. that interrupt.
Oh.
Because they can hear the noise. That's all I'm assuming it. So yeah, that's all I wanted to like tell you guys. Basically, that's a little background of stuff, why I'm here, what happened yesterday, and then no, the vlogs are going to start here. Guys, you know what? I did want to mention another thing too. These new vlogs, cause we like in the end of March, right? End of March right now. Today's the 25th or whatever. My vlogs from like December to January, I still have it. I think I still have like 2 videos I need to edit and upload. So I'm gonna just have to bear with me, because girl work 10 hours a day. Girl, I can wake up 3:30 a man if I gotta work, and then when girl come home, girl tired. So like you just have to understand, you know, like YouTube isn't my full-time job. I just something to do on the side, because I love sharing life. I love the whole this Jamaica vlogger community, you know what I mean? So like I apologize. I'm definitely gonna like try to like be more consistent. I just set time to like edit and upload, so you guys don't have like a video every 2 weeks, you know what I mean? So before you see these vlogs, y'all gonna see the remainder of those December and January vlogs. So yeah, I just wanted to clear that up. And then yeah, I'll see you guys in the next clip. All right, love. So B got me a present, and I'm gonna open it in front of you guys, and so you guys can see my reaction. Yeah, I don't know what it is. It feels soft, so I mean I don't know. So we're gonna see. B, are you gonna video me? I'm opening it. Alright, guys, so here's the gift that B got me. Let's see what it is. B, you could wrap it sitting better. Oh, there's one bag. Yeah, one bag you get me?
No.
Oh, what's something in there? Oh, you give me one nice little Jamaica tote. God, boy, I know some. I love Jamaica. Ooh. What is this, a dress? What is this? A towel that says Jamaica? Oh. Pretty. What? A dress, or what? This a scarf? Oh, this be. What does this be, a dress?
Yeah.
Or it's like a swim cover up. Cute. Oh, this is a plaid. Don't quit when things go wrong. They sometimes do. Oh, thank you. You decked me out in Jamaica, huh? Alright guys, so go to clean up and put on our makeup and stuff. What is that? Hungry I kill goody. No, this is because such man then give me no dinner last night. Like we had food when I came from the airport or whatever, but like I don't know. I ain't get no dinner, so I'm hungry. We're hungry, so we are gonna look something to eat now. But yes, we put on, and guys, I don't know. I just feel like when I'm in Jamaica, I'm at glow, because I took some pictures earlier, and the picture didn't look good. When I take a picture for my face never look so nice and sitting, and I see him where me do my face after like I do out here, but I just glow. Like when I'm in Jamaica, me just look different. But yeah. So be here I drive. We're twinning again, you know, so, like little bit in. I know. I like to match with my man. Y'all say good morning?
Good morning, guys.
You gonna tell them what you just said earlier?
What? So hungry I kill me?
No. He said he can't come on the phone and vlog because it hungry I kill him or whatever. So yeah, we got back what now. We are gonna get a box food. You don't know his shops are ready. With one little hot soup. I hope it's ready. And then we're gonna go pick up my grandmother, because she said she wanna go shop supermarket. She wanna go to the supermarket and buy a couple stuff, and then we have some stuff to drop off for some people. I'm gonna do that, and then we're gonna pick up Samari from school. I saw him last night. I went over to his grandmother's, and he was like laying down, like sleeping on the sleeping. Samari was sleeping, and his grandmother was like trying to wake him up. Said, "Sam, we have a surprise for you. Tell you I did have a surprise. Mikayla there. Here's Sam now just she push him up and just like he now wake up or whatever. And they open up his eye. But I think he was like still in his sleep or whatever. Anyway, he get up and gave me a hug. But I know when I go pick him up from school now, and my brother say, "Kayla!" You know, because he gonna be up or whatever. So I gonna make vlog with the camera, and I want to go to the school and say, "Hey, I'm here for my son Samari." I see don't give me. We can't just pick up people picnic be, or you have to be on like a list or something.
No, you didn't. 1 cent.
Huh?
1 cent to me. 1 cent to me be.
So suppose I went by myself, they wouldn't give me Samari?
No.
Why?
They not call me before.
But I look like a nice person.
Yeah,
What may I do that picnic? So you can't put me on the list and say I'm authorized to pick him up. They don't know me like that. They don't know me at all. All you do, you just tell them, say, yeah, Mrs. So and so. This is my wife. So if you see her, she can pick up Samari here. Cool. Guys, we're going to come to the supermarket, come buy little stuff, and she can't believe these prices. You buy soap, Granny?
I just want one little soap first, but I don't want the powder one.
You want a liquid one?
Yeah.
Alright.
Which one?
Alright, wait a second, Granny.
Mr. Shanky tell me I bring around here, I know I can't buy something there. Look how much you want to soap. One paper towel I want to put it at $1,000. One single paper towel.
Alright, come. I need to buy fish. I fish, I go there. Granny want what? Rice, flour? No, yeah. No, yeah, buy. You want my soap? What do you think I don't soap?
But I don't play soap. No, nothing at all, I don't buy.
Oh. Alright, what's the cheapest one? I want one of them here. Guys, look, this is $3.19. At dollar store we can get this for $1.25. Buy this one pound, $1.65. That's the cheapest.
That's good. That is good?
It not to be good, you just want to know, say sit and wash. Granny can't believe.
Yeah,
but no one
Alright guys, so Granny want I don't know. I'm only here for like 6 days or whatever. And me looking at these prices, Granny I gotta say no man. She should have bring down our aisle. Granny did buy one, was it 2-quart aisle to bring down, but Shanky, my bead, did say no, or you have to come to Jamaica and buy groceries. But look at the price then. Granny, you see that look for what's in there? $905, you know?
What?
$905 for that.
Tell her, you say Shanky okay, I'll come. Tell her I didn't care if you didn't get
No. So Granny, you don't tell the people that where you did plan to carry them?
Me say, me buy me oil, me buy me sugar, me buy me milk. Me grandson-in-law said not bring it. Granny no bring no suitcase, no bring no oil and no rice. When you come here, go buy it. When you come to the supermarket, oh my God. Me can't buy nothing like the supermarket then turn up. 1-quart oil for $950. And me get me big 1-quart and pint oil for $2 hard. And make me left.
Oh, and next thing, you're not telling us how you pay overweight, you could have run it. You pay overweight, you could have run me sitting, no?
Me I tell her, me pay overweight and I could have run me, and me could have, you see, me pay overweight and I could have carry me oil and me rice and me milk and me something come and tell me left it. And now she, me come to the supermarket and I don't know what it starts. I don't know.
We can't believe if this is 905 West Ham, I don't want to see a big 5-quart aisle.
Granny, for your day, I'm going to this alone pick up.
But Shanky, me if you check this in, because Shanky, me say I carry me oil and me say, no, tell me say, no carry that
But me tell us
suitcase.
I'm going to get oil, you see me don't know why you come from buy.
Oh, me want to come buy it, then if you not buy it.
How much money me to get back for this?
$2 Chunky, let me step there. Can you take me some?
B, why you make Granny in the carrier sitting them?
Because I love to come from plane.
I mean, I have to come from plane. Then I couldn't carry out from the plane. I will come from Chunky.
Be here. Here's I have a fish already.
Yeah. Probably you go say want some fish.
Guys. Alright guys, so I didn't get a chance to get the box food I want because the food never done, so we get some KFC, spicy wings and fries. And now we're on our way to go pick up somebody from school. School over 2 o'clock and at 2:05 now. Alright, so guys, I made a bet with the kids. I said no talking for 20 minutes because like they just chat and chat and chat and chat. And they do it for 20 minutes. They each get $500 each. So we'll see who is gonna hold out and who's gonna talk first. But we all know Samaria gonna talk first. Samaria. Alright, no sound at all. Like no look, hee hee ha ha ha, nothing, okay? Nothing. So yeah. So far then go, let's see, I set my timer. They went 18 minutes so far. They have 18 minutes, about 18 minutes left to go. So yeah, we're just here. B is working on some sound. He has to go string up some stuff, so we're doing that. And then after that, we're gonna drop the kids off and drop my grandmother off and stuff. So yeah, we'll see if they hold out. Alright guys, so let's see. They have 50 seconds left. Samari come out and come back in the game about 3 times already. And he just can't keep quiet at all. He might have to laugh or giggle or whisper something. Me tell him, say, come back in the last 10 minutes and you get $250. He said, no, we want $500. And then me say, alright, me get $250. I know. I know some I try put walkie pitty them so they don't talk. So they don't get the money, but if they don't say anything for 20 seconds, then I'm gonna get their $500. But yeah, B didn't know I do anything with this song. How you about for some? Alright.
And a little girl.
They did it! Then they do it, so yeah, stop.
They did it?
Yeah, they do it. Sadar, what are you gonna do with your $500?
Save it.
You're gonna say, oh, Jade, what are you gonna do with your $500?
No, I'm gonna know yet. What me think what me can do?
What?
Just save you up for a little bit till I can buy more things.
Oh, alright. So I save when I gotta save your money.
Yeah.
That's good.
That's
Sam, you have something to say?
You have something to say?
Tell him say.
Moonshine, darling, take off your shoes and go to your bed. When
your teacher.
Sam, where about for Sam? Sam, stop. Sam, where you about? Why are you crying? Oh God. Sam, easy for mom. Oh God.
Alright.
And guys, ain't gone further. On top of the actual post, like Jesus Christ. In brave, I don't know. Jesus Christ.
Yes. Give me one.
Alright guys, so like we're like dinner now or whatever. Like everywhere we go, it plays them lock, not no food or whatever. Sam, I'm talking. Get out the damn camera. Sam, sit down. Samari, sit down. Anyway, so we stopped somewhere. Big got in our place, and he said they have fried chicken, curry goat, and something else or whatever. So I was like, alright, give me a fried chicken with a curry goat gravy. And then they're gonna say, she not a curry gravy. How the hell you have curry goat but not a curry gravy? And I'm asking B to ask him. He said he don't know. And now he might get mad and say he can't bother with the botheration and stuff. But I don't see that being like I'm bothering or whatever. You know what I mean? Like, am I wrong? I don't think so. I just asked a simple question. Now he in there being mad. My grandmother had to go in there, and my grandmother sticking up for him, talking about some, oh, we had better in front D. I could have went in there and ordered my food and stuff. We're just hot and tormenting. Just want to be in. I'm gonna lie down, cause like I don't know. Can't bother. I really cannot bother. Anyways, there, waiting on the food, and then we're gonna drop my grandmother off, and then we're gonna go up.